You were taught one thing your whole life. Work hard and you will succeed. But look around. Millions of people are working hard. Long hours, no weekends, no rest. Still, they are stuck. So the question is simple. If hard work is the key, why are so many hardworking people still broke, tired, and frustrated? Today we will talk about the truth. A truth most people don't want to hear. Part 1. The hard work lie. Hard work is not bad, but hard work alone is dangerous because it gives you hope without direction. You can run fast, but if you're running in the wrong direction, you're just getting tired faster. Most people don't fail because they don't work hard. They fail because they work hard on the wrong things. Part 2. Busy versus productive. Being busy feels productive, but busy is not progress. You answer emails, you scroll learning videos, you plan and plan, but nothing changes. Productive work moves the needle. Busy work only makes noise. Hard work without clarity is just effort without results. Part 3. Why hard work burns people out. Creates stress, burnout, frustration. You start asking, why am I doing all this? When effort has no reward, motivation dies. This is why many people quit, not because they are weak, but because they are tired of working hard for nothing. Part 4. Real book examples. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki. Poor Dad worked very hard. Rich Dad focused on learning systems. Hard work made one tired. Smart systems made the other free. The 4-Hour Workweek. Tim Ferriss. He teaches leverage. Doing less of what matters beats doing more of what doesn't. More of what doesn't. Atomic Habits. James Clear. Success comes from systems, not effort. Effort starts things. Systems sustain them. Part 5. Real-life examples. Think about this. 2 people work equally hard. One improves skills, builds assets, creates leverage. The other only trades time for money. After 10 years, their lives look completely different. Hard work didn't decide the outcome. Direction did. Part 6. What actually works. 1. Clarity. Know exactly what you want, why you want it. Needle. 2. Leverage. Use tools, skills, systems, AI, content, assets. 1 hour of leveraged work beats 10 hours of manual effort. 3. Consistency. Small, smart actions done daily compound. Not intense effort. Consistent direction. Part 7. Shifting your mindset. Stop asking, how hard can I work? Start asking, what is the smartest move right now? Hard work is fuel, but strategy is the steering wheel. Without it, you crash. Hard work is respected, but smart work is what counts. The world doesn't pay effort. It pays value. Work hard, yes, but work smart. Because effort without direction is the slowest way to succeed.